Welcome. In this video, I'll walk you through the latest way to view your followers on Facebook. Whether you're curious about who's checking out your profile or just want to keep track of your growing audience, this quick guide will show you exactly where to find that information in just a few steps. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all your personal settings. Once it's open, look at the very top of your screen and tap on your profile picture in the top left corner. This will take you directly to your profile page. Next, you'll see 3 small dots right under your profile details. Tap on those 3 dots to open a new menu of options. From there, scroll a little bit and select the option that says Activity Log. This is where Facebook stores all your interactions from posts and comments to friends and followers. Now, once you're inside the activity log, look under the Connections section. You'll find an option labeled Followers. Tap on that, and then select Manage Followers. This is the area where you can review everyone who's currently following your public updates and posts. To make the process even easier, use the filters provided. When you see people who followed you, choose that filter to narrow down the list and see exactly who has followed your account. It's a simple way to stay aware of who's engaging with your content without needing any third-party apps or tools. And that's it. You've just learned how to view your followers on Facebook with the most up-to-date steps. It only takes a minute once you know where to go. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video and share it with someone who might need it too. Staying on top of your social connections is easier than ever when you know exactly how to navigate your Facebook settings. Thanks for watching.